Hey guys, short update. Starting with the discus as usual. You can see half of the tank is located here, and this is, as you can guess, because one more time, for the third time in 2 weeks, we have some eggs from this pair. To remind you, I guess I'm sure this is one F1 a bit royal, and the other one is supposed to be F1 red. Ika, maybe, don't know, but red at least. But by the way, today it's dedicated to the Bavarian Bush 2.0, I would say. And as you can see, we received this week some stuff to plant and also to prepare the soil, the bottom of the ground for the plant. I get some nice indication on YouTube, and I will try a slightly different technique, providing more macronutrient directly in the ground instead of in the water column. And in the water column, it will be more only the micro element for the plant, in order to give a nice preference to the plant instead of the alga. As you can see, we have some what's the name already of this technique? This is Parthenogetoes. I don't remember exactly, but this is some plant. They grow not directly in a tank as usual. It has been divided, and I forgot, it's slightly a little bit more expensive still, I guess, but at the end you are sure to not get any snails, any parasite in your tank with this little plant pot way of growing plants. So by the way, I will share here, if you want just to have a look before, yes, I hear you, the eggs this time are here. So you have the male, this time very aggressive, putting away the female. As you can see, she's struggling to stay not so far away from the eggs, and the pair is putting some pressure on the rest of the tank. So here I will show you inspiration. It's the first one. This is this video that I may open. I don't know. I would advise you to have a look. It's very interesting. It's a little bit, it is in German, but if you can understand, or you can already use the description of the video with a complete list of the plant, and it's very nice to hear the presentation of this nice setup. So it was from inspiration point of view, I used to say, do not hesitate to target something very nice, even if at the end this is not what you get. It's not a big deal. These talented guys are doing such kind of nice setup. This is to give you inspiration, so it's always nice. This is the first example. This, no, as usual, edition of the video, forget it. This is the second example. Directly you can find it this time on the Tropica website, and this is another inspiration tank. On the Tropica website, it's very nice because you have the listing, complete listing of the plant and how many pot of each plant, and especially the location of the plant if you want to get inspired or helped this way. The idea for the Bavarian Bush 2.0, this is even more plant that I had the request, I would say. And this time I will avoid the sand. I will put directly the soil, and only the soil, to limit abrasivity or the scratches that can appear on the glass, sadly, I would say. And the soil is very nutritive as well. I will try to get such kind of carpet with a little mixed from the carpet to the background plants, I would say. We do have some driftwood. We do have some very nice rocks, and this is some ancient wood fossilisiert wood. Fossil wood. By the way, you will see tomorrow I will do the setup. In theory, we will empty the tank, do a new tubing, and after that we will go for the hardscape directly, the planting activities, and after that fulfill and put back the fish. So you can say, yeah, you are starting very quickly a new tank. It's not necessarily a good idea. I would tell you, yes, but the risk is mitigated in the way that we are using the filter already currently running also with the fishes and so on. So it will handle without any issue, I can tell you, except if I do something stupid, something else, I mean. But it's supposed to be fine. So what about the plant? But this is a mix of all the plants that you can see here. This is some pieces of red plant this way, growing very fast. It's helpful also to minimize to handle the alga development. And I will give a try to this one. Give a try to this one as well. This really a nice one. We will put it. And I guess this is more or less everything. Regarding the website, in fact, here in Germany, one quite famous one, this is Aquapflanzen 24, selecting for you, offering some set of plants if you want African plants, if you want Zamler. What's the name of Zamler? All the tetras aquarium style, if you want some reddish plant, if you want a mixed, if you want green, if you want slowing grow, if you want a complicated one, you can have such kind of set. I did a little comparison with this one, but at the end I opt for this one, Aquasabi. So one more time, I'm located in Germany, and this is typically one of the two main tanks. Sorry guys, I get attacked. Yo! Ah. Too much technology, you know. So by the way, here, to come back, I made some selection and I compare both websites, but Aquasabi, I would say, very nice web and buy experience, a very nice, easy way to select, some quite good price that I could grab at this moment, I would say, and you have the complete list quickly for you. So it's a mixed, it's a bunch. So it will be maybe more the Bavarian jungle instead of Bavaria bush. No, you see all of that. Plus few that stay in darkness in order for the alga to go away. And this is a hard, growing slow plant like the Anubia typically that we will reuse hopefully. And I guess that's all. Investment for the plant, for your info, is 150 euro of plant. You could say it's expensive. I order online because typically I knew that I will use a lot of plant, and it is always the same. Order online, you can do some optimization in the budget that you're investing, but when you are doing such kind of setup with a lot of nutriment rich and so on, really it's better to start with a lot of plant in order to succeed in the competition with the alga. Otherwise, if you don't have enough plant, they will struggle at the beginning and they will be overtaken by the alga. So that's all. Aquasabi, and we received it in 2 days. The support is very nice. They answer a few questions. For example, how I could let the plant during few days this way, and so on, and so on, and so on. So that's all for today. Sorry for talking long at the end. And just share the perspective of the version 2.0 of Bavarian Bush that maybe will be renamed in Bavarian Jungle. We will see. Hope everything is fine at your place, guys. Ciao.